What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats. I know it's been a little while since we did a tutorial, so I figured I'd put a quick 4-track, maybe a 5-track track together for us to walk through, and then this is a chance for you guys to look at the content, comment on it, see if this is something you guys would like to keep watching, keep hearing about. And I know a lot of you guys are excited about the remixes that I've done, and I do have some content that's lined up. It's original stuff. I don't want to tell you too much about it, but it's basically building a track around a vocal stem. But before that, let me walk you through this track and see what you guys think. Alright, so it's basically a lead that I chose out of Logic Pro. Very simple lead. And the twist at the end. Yeah, boy. And then what I did is I chose some battery samples. So let me just play the drum. It's very simple kick. You have a snare. And then you have the shaker that's just on top of the kick. Let's see what this sounds like. Yeah. And then I layered some claps on it from, again, this is from battery. Yeah. Right. Okay, so let's listen to those three things together. We already have a good bounce going on here. You know, sometimes you don't really need a very full track. So just think about a good vocalist that you have on there that can ride the beat. And just to give it that little oomph, I added a trap bass. Again, that's right out of ES2. You guys can pause this, copy the settings. Right? So when this is playing in the club, you get that little bounce to it, you get the little subwoofer action. And then, let's say you were to arrange this, you would unmute this electric guitar. Again, this is right out of Logic 2. It's playing just a C minor chord, C sharp minor. Yeah. That's right. That's right. I have this basic master going on. Right. So let's say, how would you arrange this track? So this is what I like to do. I like to hit Command. Again, if you want to just break it, you literally just select it, and as soon as you let go, it'll break it off wherever you have it. Just make sure this is on snap, so it'll snap to the nearest bar that you selected to. I'm just going to move everything to bar 5 and let the flute play for a bit. If you want, you can cut the bass here and bring it up here. That's right. Add some reverb. Yeah. And then what you can do is you can probably cut off the flute right here, hit Control M to mute it, then it's going to come back in. Let's move this a little later so it comes in as a hook. Again, I'm selecting everything, I'm hitting Option, and I'm literally just rearranging the track. All right, so here you go, boom. And then we're going to have the loop enabled so we can have a hook. So let's listen to it from the top. And while I'm doing that, I'm also going to add some loops or something that I can find here in Logic. This is my production process, guys. Let's find some shakers. All right, that was Logic freezing on me. Yeah. That's actually nice. Let me quantize that. I'm going to select it. It's a little better. Yeah. Yeah. And what you can do is you can layer up that flute. So let's double hit the duplicate instrument, and here we got a flute, but we can try and find some other instruments. Electric piano. Let's see what that sounds like. Dirty electric piano. Let's bring it down and see what it sounds like. Again, line it up. Just lower it up a little bit. Yeah. like the levels are good. And that's it, guys. This is basically how you arrange, that's 7 tracks. And then you can add some bells and whistles like your cymbals and your risers and drops. You can cut things in and out. What I normally like to do is I like to cut out the drums maybe a half a bar or a bar before. So that way, you know, you have that little bit of silence that comes in. Maybe what I'll do is let me see, I'll cut this 808 here. And I'll bring it, oh, it comes in right at the half a beat. So let's see what that sounds like. Shakers too. Hey. All right. So again, guys, a very simple kind of a beat. If you guys are starting out, try making 4-bar loops, 8-bar loops, bring things in and out. Again, keep practicing. Make a track with just 4 tracks. If you can make that sound good, layering it in a smart way, if you know what you're doing, you're going to make good tracks. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you want this template, I could probably give this to you guys too. So leave a comment below if you want this as well. All right, guys, see you at the next one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be uploading more regular content as well. Talk to you guys soon.